Welcome to this video tutorial which will guide the user through the process of applying for the student's report card within the EMMIS application. In this tutorial, we will provide the user with step-by-step instructions on how to generate a report card using EMMIS. To generate a report card, the school admin or the respective subject teacher, class teacher or the school operator need to navigate to the EduTech section. In this section, the user will find the report card section. When the user clicks on the report card section, the user will see a list of class offered at the school. Here we can see class 8 and class 10. On the right hand side, there is an action button highlighted in blue. Clicking on this button will display the names of students along with their respective classes. Within this section, the user will find the Manage Report Card option. This section includes features for handling scholastic, co-scholastic, and miscellaneous reports. When the user clicks on Manage Scholastic, a report card format will appear in which the subject name has to be entered. In term 1, we can see that the user has to input the marks. The maximum marks in term 1 here signifies the total marks of FA1, FA2 and SA1, whereas marks obtained signifies the marks obtained by the student out of the total marks. Similarly, we do the needful for term 2. In the Select Subject button, the user can select the subjects for the student. After making the user selection, the user has to add the subjects. Once the user has done the needful, the user can start entering marks for the respective subjects. If the user makes an error while inputting student marks, the user can use the action button for re-entry of student marks. Once it is done, the user can now proceed with the managing co-scholastic in the report card section. Once the user clicks on it, the user is directed to input the respective grades and also mention the descriptive indicators based on the student's performance. After doing the needful, the user may save the changes and move back to the list. Finally, the school user can move to the section of Managing Miscellaneous Report Card section, where the school user has to input the data of students' first term examination attendance comprising of total working days and number of days present along with the remarks button. After completing all the steps, the user can return to the previous page. Now, the school user can view the student's report card. Here we can see all the details of the student mark have been entered, including scholastic, non-scholastic and miscellaneous report. As the user scrolls down, the user finds an option to print the report card. Please kindly note that the report card can only be printed after selecting the respective term. Once the user has made the selection, the user can proceed to print the report card. Additionally, there is also an option to publish the results online. By choosing this option, the result will be made available online and students can download their own copies. Here we can also see a guideline for publishing the online report card. With this we come to the end of the video tutorial of generation of online report card in the EMMIS system. Thank you.